representing functions as rules, tables, and graphs. So let's begin with some vocabulary. X is known as a domain, an input, and independent. Y is the range, output, dependent. Relation is a set of ordered pairs. A function is a relation in which every member of the domain, the input, is paired with exactly one member of the range, the output. Example 1, try on your own. Example 2, try on your own. D, try on your own. Example 3, write a rule for the function. We'll be writing a rule for the function today using the graphing calculator. Before we begin, let's review what we'll be doing. We'll be taking the data in our table, entering it into the statistics mode. So we'll be using the statistics button here, also known as stat. We'll be editing our list and entering the data into list 1 and list 2. We'll then go back to the stat key, select calculate the linear regression, and this will be our solution, our equation. Alright, so we've hit the stat key, enter, and then we have L1 and L2 for list 1 and list 2. So we're going to enter our list. So put in 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to put in -1, 0, 1, and 2. And now I'm going to look closely that I've entered the correct data, and I have. So now I'm going to calculate a linear regression. So I'm going to hit stat, arrow over to calculate, number 4, and then I'm going to hit enter. And this is what I get. So to write that as an equation or a function rule, I would write, it says y equals ax plus b, where a is 1 and b is -3. So y equals 1x, or just x, minus 3. All right, so let's go on back. And y equals x minus 3. So go ahead and do E. And remember that you're going to be entering this stat, edit, enter your list, calculate the linear regression. So y equals 3x, and you probably could have figured that out by just looking at it. Go ahead and do F. Y equals 3x plus 2. So example 4, write a rule for the function represented by the graph. So go ahead and identify your points in a table, and then use that table to find a rule.